Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to explore Winux 11 Linux, which is almost the same as Windows 11, including Microsoft Edge, and it even supports installing Windows apps and Android app. It gives you a Windows-like experience with the power and flexibility of Linux. Before we begin, first you need to download Winux 11 Linux. Open your browser and go to the official website, winux.is. Go to the download section and download the latest Winux 11 ISO file. Once downloaded, save it on your computer. Now, make sure you have a USB drive with at least 8 GB of storage, and we will use a powerful tool called Ventoy to create a multi-boot USB. First, open your browser, go to the official website ventoy.net. Download the latest version. Extract the file. Now plug in your USB drive. Open the Ventoy application and select your USB device carefully. If you are using GPT system, change to GPT mode. Click on Install. This will make your USB bootable. Keep in mind, this will erase all data on the USB drive. Once Ventoy is installed, simply copy the Winux 11 Linux ISO file into the USB drive. Yes, it's that simple. No need to format again and again. Now restart your computer. Enter the boot menu by pressing keys like F12, F9, Escape, or Delete, depending on your system. Select your USB device with Ventoy. Now from the Ventoy menu, choose the Winux 11 ISO file and press Enter. Select Boot in normal mode, press Enter. Select Windows theme over Linux, press Enter. After that, the Winux 11 setup will start loading, and the installation screen will appear. On this screen, double-click Install Winux 11 LTS to begin the installation process. Now follow the on-screen instructions carefully. First, choose your preferred language. Select location. Now select your keyboard layout. Next, select the installation drive where you want to install Winux 11 Linux. Make sure to choose the correct disk to avoid losing important data. Enter user details and password. Now the installation process will begin. Just wait patiently while all files are copied and configured. Once the installation is complete, you will see a message to restart your system. Remove the USB drive if required, and your system will boot into Winux 11 Linux. And that's it. You now have Winux 11 installed and running, with a Windows 11-like interface and Linux power underneath. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.